Stop throwing away coconut chaff. I made pure coconut oil from scratch, and what most people consider waste turned out to be surprisingly useful. One coconut, multiple uses, zero waste. Watch till the end to see how I extracted the oil and what I did with the leftover chaff. Would you try this at home? Let me know in the comments below. So first, I had to break these stubborn coconuts. Trust me, they did not want to cooperate. And this particular coconut that I'm using is the big one. This particular one has lots of water inside of it, which will be very useful afterwards. And here I have my cup for grabbing the coconut water. Afterwards, I poured out the coconut water. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, this will be the best time for you to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. And welcome to our active lifestyle and healthy recipes community. After that, I started removing the flesh. Now it is time to wash, and then we slice it up. This is cleaned enough, then we are ready to start slicing before blending. Do you love coconut? Then you will love my coconut recipe ebook. It contains 50 plus delicious coconut recipes, from snacks and desserts to drinks and meals, all in one guide. Grab your copy using the link in the description box below. We also have more coconut recipe videos you can check out, like our 3 cooking oil and then delicious homemade desiccated coconut. Kindly check out the link in the description box below to watch those videos. Next came the arm workouts. squeezing out all that coconut milk. Then I popped the coconut milk into the freezer for 24 hours. We all know good thing takes time, right? This is after a day, and the next day it was time for the magic. Just take a look at that. The oil has separated and it has gotten frozen and combined together just like this. So next is frying to properly get out our coconut oil. Here I have started frying, and at this point my kitchen smelled so good. I wish you could smell this through the screen, honestly. And just like that, pure homemade coconut oil. No chemicals, no funny ingredients, just coconut doing what coconut does best. Also, this coconut oil is an overachiever. One bottle, plenty of jobs. Use it on your face, keep your skin glowing, nourish your hair, and when you're done looking fabulous, you can even use it to cook. Now that is what I call multitasking. And here we just have to separate the chaff from the oil, which is why we are sieving it out, but allow to cool slightly before you start sieving this. Oh, and before you think I wasted the leftover coconut chaff, not in this house. I turned it into a natural body scrub because we are making oil and saving money at the same time. So what do? We are going to dehydrate this. By placing it in the oven, I mean the chaff, we are going to place it in the oven and allow it to dry up a little, but it shouldn't get burnt. If you love learning profitable skills, I have a collection of ebooks and online classes covering baking, cooking, tiger nut drink, healthy beverages, hair treatment, and face and skincare recipes. These are practical recipes and methods you can use for yourself or turn into a business. Kindly check the description box below to get the link now. So here you can store this up in an airtight container and keep in the freezer. This can last you for months. You can use it for your skincare as a skin scrub, which is what I do, and it is very, very nice and soothing on the skin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. Also, leave a comment below. Let us know as well which of these coconut oil uses surprise you the most. Let us know in the comment box below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.